Today we are gonna be playing towards the bad update. It is 2023. 2 more months is 2022. Two more. So, where's my friend? I'm just gonna say, okay, I'm recording. Say hi to him. Say hi to YT. Say hi to YT. Say hi to YT. Say hi to YT. I'm just so alright, where we going? Sad that this time we got it blue. I feel so bad for you. Okay, calm, dude, calm. Wait, dude. Yeah. Wow. Wait, how do we even get through, bro? Oh, it's bad. That's bad. I kinda forgot this game. Yo! It says new tools and everything. The first time I started, it didn't have any. It only had like one drawer and two. It's kind of like the old one. Oh, but the flashlights are the same. Bro's gonna leave me. Oh my gosh. Please don't kill me. No! It pushed me out the gate. The door, I meant. Coming. Wait for me. Wait. Wait. I'm just gonna make sure. Okay. Did he just die? I told him to reset. Then he just died. Oh. Yeah, I'm wrecked now. Is that the devil? Oh. It got down now. Is that purple? What is that, dude? Abraham. Okay. No! I almost went through that fake, dude. Dude. I thought we had to hide in the closet. Oh my! My room board. You got attacked because he was in. What? That's definitely the wrong door. What? Oh my gosh! I don't. There's literally a object like. What is happening? Literally. Wait. Bro, he's almost dead. Bro, you go first, my guy. Dude. Wait, six. Wait. Where's he? Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Uh-oh. What the heck? I'm in back rooms. I'm just gonna reset. Alright. Allo. After this, we're gonna play. After this video, there's gonna be the next video of me playing Toilet Tower Defense or Blade Ball. Or Blade Ball, actually. After Blade Ball, I'm gonna play Bloxfish, of course. I'ma just end the video. I'ma just end the video. Bro, why do you like doors but bad so much? But guys, well, bye.